Have you ever heard the sound of a beep? I'm sure you have. When you build your own extension, it's essential to incorporate this sound. Here's why. Humans primarily use 5 senses to perceive the world around us. However, when interacting with a computer, we only use 2 senses, sight and hearing. Therefore, many software applications use a beep sound to alert users when they make a mistake. Imagine if you made an error in SketchUp and it didn't beep. If it was your first time using the software, you might not realize you made a mistake. So, remember to add a beep sound to your extension to alert users when they do something wrong. For more detailed information, please refer to the description.